Namaskar. We at OJAS express our heartfelt gratitude for the warm response to our first venture, Jati Yatra. Our next venture to be presented over the Sundays in the month of June will be based on the Nayaka, the hero in Natya Shastra written by Bharat Muni. Bharat Muni, the great Sanskrit writer and scholar of Indian art, wrote the authoritative Natya Shastra, in which we find discussion of Natya, that is drama, Nritya, that is dance, and Sangeet, that is music. Here he says, Pranambishesa Deo Pitamaha Maheshwaro Natya Shastram Pravakshami Brahmana Yadudarutam. Bharatnatyam has its origin in Natya Shastra. Here we can find the minutest intricacies of this form. From Bharatnatyam dancers' costume, makeup, jewellery, to the poetry to be used in the performance, instruments to be used, all are written in this book. Bharat Muni has categorized male and female characters of this Bharatnatyam dance form on the basis of their nature, that is Prakriti. Then further he divides Nayaka or hero or a male character in three main categories: Uttama, Madhyama and Adhama. Then Bharat Muni goes on to divide this Nayak into four types. All these four are identified amongst Uttama and Madhyama variety. These four types are Dhiro Datta, brave and haughty; Dhira Lalita, brave and sporting; Dhiro Dhata, brave and magnanimous; Dhira Prashanta, brave and calm. So, in this second segment of OJAS, we are going to see the performances based on these four Nayaka Bheda. Our four young male Bharatnatyam dancers will perform on each of these Nayaka Bheda separately on each Sunday of this month of June. The dancers are S.P. Vijay Kumar performing Dhira Prashant, Yogesh Kumar performing Dhira Lalita, Avadhuta Chauhan performing Dhiro Dhata, Samrat Datta performing Dhiro Dhata. So, kindly subscribe and like our YouTube channel and also follow us on our Instagram and Facebook page. Thank you.
The second segment of OJAS, that is Nayaka the Hero, will be sponsored by Payal Nritya Natya Niketan. Payal Nritya Natya Niketan is Thane's oldest Bharatnatyam academy and has been teaching Bharatnatyam for the past 50 years. It was started by Srimati Poonam Tai Murdeshwar on the 1st December 1972. Guru Poonam Tai's daughter, Natyakala Chudamani, Guru Srimati Tamanna Ritesh Nair, continues the tradition of imparting quality training on Bharatnatyam today alongside her. We are really thankful for your support.